Hello everyone. Take a balloon and then blow it up and then wrap it up. Take multiple four balls as such and then make an almost circular shape. Then taking the bottle, stick multiple threads of jute, add lace at the top. Then stick the balls at the top. You may add a decorative light inside. Next, take a container cap, split it into half and then add cloth all around it. Then, take some wires that are made out of tubes and then stick it all around as such. Wrap some jute thread around each of these wires as such in this particular decoration. Then add handles to it and then line it with some lace. You may add some flowers inside. Take multiple of these tubes and then make a container-like shape out of it. Take pink thread as such and wrap it around these tubes. Wrap it around in circles. You may use different patterns. At the top, make lace. Add a little container head to it as well. Next, take a little container, wrap it with cloth. All around it, add your tubes and then take your jute thread and then wrap it around it. Add decorative beads once you reach the middle and then line it with jute once again. You may also add lace to the top and then make some handles. Take a little container and then line this container with cloth. Surround it with some tubes and then add thread around it. First start off with jute thread and then add white woolen thread. Inside, add some cloth and then line it with lace. Stick it at the top and then put it down as such. Then you may store things in it. Next, take the bottom of a bottle, once again, line it with these tubes. Then, start to put cloth all around it. Wrap it around these tubes. Roll it up and make a handle out of it as such. Add a little bow to it. Do this at the top as well. Take a little container and then add tubes to the top of that. Take jute thread and then line these tubes with jute thread. Then make a handle out of the top and then stick the handle there as well. Line the entire thing with lace. Thank you for watching.